Good morning, it's MaryEllen from the channel MaryEllen After 60. And I'm here today to talk about three things. The first thing I want to talk about is my hair. I recently went to the salon. We still call it beauty shop around here, but she's a hairstylist. It has been my hairstylist for 25 years. She put some streaks in my hair. There's two things that were wonderful. She could not believe how thick my hair had gotten in the areas where I've been derma rolling. I will put that video below where I showed how I did it. And she saw it 3 months ago and thought she could see a difference then. And so it's been 3 months since she saw it last. Even though she sells the Monate system, and she knew that I was going to do that if my hair didn't thicken up, she was thrilled. And she also told me that whenever I get enough silver in my hair, that it's going to be really pretty. So I'm excited. I still just have it around the edges. I haven't washed it since she did it, so it looks darker than what it's going to be. But I was excited about that. I want to also tell you about some good deals I got from Ulta, and I want to talk about my favorite summer shoes because I found a really good place to buy what I already love. This is what it looks like when I get to Ulta. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Sales and Coupons, click on that, and then what I want to do is see what's on sale. First, I always activate cashback, but I'm not making a purchase today. So I'm on my way to earn some cash. I want to do the sale items. And so I want to just scroll down, and I can show right here what I'm wanting to look at, best sellers. But here is where I found my really good buy on the Urban Decay Naked Basics and the Afterglow palette. I wanted to find several brushes, so I could refine this, but I'm just kind of going on down to see what is on sale today. And their sales change from time to time. Often I see this going back to full price. So anytime I have a 20% off coupon, I want to look and see what's on sale because that's how I get my best buy, my very best buy. Okay, I checked this morning and the Urban Decay was still on sale for $19, the Urban Decay Naked Basics, and the Afterglow palette by Urban Decay is back to full price, and the Real Technique brushes are back to full price. But I want to tell you, I'm going to break this down. And what I'm doing is I'm buying Christmas gifts, and I saved 37% off. I bought two of these, and they're the Naked Basics, and I don't want to open it up because it is a gift. And it showed you on that page what it looked like. This is the Urban Decay Afterglow, and these are the Real Technique brushes that I chose. I bought two of each, and I'm going to go down the price, and I'm going to have to look down and look because I don't want to make any mistakes, which I often do. If I would have purchased this just without the 20% off, just shopping from the sale page, it would have been $151.99. By shopping the sale page, normally two Urban Decay Naked Basics palettes would have been $58. I got it for $38, two of them. The Afterglow palette would have been $64. I got two for $34. And the eye set, the Real Techniques, it would have been $39.98, and I got it for $23.98. The grand total would have been $151.99 if I wouldn't have shopped the sale page. I got it for $95.98, and then I used my 20% off coupon. So what I paid for all this was $76.78, and that just absolutely thrills me. I like every one of these items that I ordered, and I know this Christmas, some of my family members are going to like them too. Now this deal, I received it because when I received the purse inserts, and I did a video about that and gave the hot pink one away, you know what, I'm really glad I did because this smaller one fits perfectly in all my bags and it's everything I need. But I really like their products and I signed up for their emails. Well, I got an email that I could take 25% off anything that I ordered. These bags are originally $58 for one. They were marked down to $24.99. And using my 25% off coupon that I received from them, I got them for $18 and some change. So I ordered 2 of them as Christmas gifts. So that's how much I like them, and I know they'll love them too. One time on a comment that I left on someone's channel, they said, well, if it works, buy them in every color. Well, I do that a lot. I think it came from the years of working and trying, when you find something that fits and feels good on, that I a lot of times buy several things in the same color. I've also bought 2 pair of shoes, even in the same color, because I really liked them a lot, and I always dressed up for work. But 4 years ago, I first heard of these sandals right here, and they're called the Sanuks, S-A-N-U-K. I remember going to Dillard's and buying them, and I think they were $32. I'm going to show you 3 of these because I couldn't find the other one of this when I wanted to film. The next year, I liked those so well, and they're still in perfect condition. I went to, I think it was Zappos.com, and I ordered these, another pair exactly alike, and then I ordered these wedges. And what I like, these are so comfortable. They all have the yoga mat insert, and I just love them. This looks really nice with slacks. It looked nice with skirts. It's not dressy, but they're so comfortable, and I definitely go for comfort 90% of the time. And yeah, I like that. So I ordered these the second year. Last year I ordered these, and I can't remember, but they're a thinner strap and they're the same wedge. Loved them, still love them. So I'm kind of getting to my point. Well, this year I wanted a pair of navy ones, and I went online and I put Sanuk yoga mat sandals, and they came up, and the cheapest price I saw was $32. So then I saw this other site, and it said shoes.com, and I clicked on it, and I got 30% off by using the code, and Ebates was 10% off. So I wanted navy, but they didn't come in my size, but I ordered a gray, and I ordered a champagne color. So I have 2 new pairs in my wardrobe, and next year I'm going to look earlier. What I liked about the shoes.com, and I will leave a link below, they have Clarks. I like Clarks. I have cute shoes like this that are Clarks, and I love them, and I wear them, but I don't wear them as much as I wear these. So the next time I need Clarks, I'm going to go to that website. It says free shipping and handling and free returns. I was telling my sister that lives here in town about it, and she said, yeah, but if you return something, she said, when I returned something, there was an $8 handling fee. The shipping was free to return it, but she had to pay an $8 handling fee. I don't know if that is true on every order, but I was excited that I received 30% off. I got both those pair of shoes to my home for $42.99, or a little less than $42.99. But I love them. I know what size I wear. I wear a size 10 in these. I could get by with the 9.5. If they would have had the navy in a 9.5, I would have ordered those. And I know what I wear in Clarks. I always wear a size 10. So I just wanted to share that with you because I like to share good deals. And I've never been on their website and not seen a sale. Like this morning, it was 25% off. I'm pretty good about checking size to see when things are on sale, when Ebates are high. And any of you who have Ebates, make sure at the bottom, if you go to Ebates, that you want to put the extension in your toolbar, because when you do, like when I showed you on Ulta, it'll pop up. I know on my computer, it pops up the Ebates. I don't know anything and tells it how much it's going to be. I ordered some stuff recently from Walmart, and it was 10% Ebates. I love Ebates, and it's just another way to save money. Before I announce the winners of the Cacay Naturals giveaway, I wanted to talk about a couple of things. One of the things is that YouTube private message is going away. And when I travel and I watch my fellow content creators' videos, I'll give them a thumbs up, and a lot of times I'll send them a private message. So you might, if you're a content creator, you might want to check your private messages because I understand they're going away. Jim and I are planning a few trips this summer, and I want you to know that because I never want to mention on my video when we're leaving. I live in a small town. I have no idea who's watching, so it's never a good idea to mention when you're leaving. But if we're traveling and I upload a video and I may not be able to reply, there's a little heart button that I can press that lets you know that I read your message. Of course, I will answer any questions. And what I try to do, I try to time it that I have a giveaway, but sometimes that doesn't work. And I don't know if uploading on Sundays is going to work or not. We'll just have to wait and see. One of my friends that is a YouTube creator here in the United States, she told me that Cacay Naturals had approached quite a few YouTubers several years ago and paid them to do a video regarding the Cacay Naturals. It's pronounced Cacay. They never did approach me. I still have never received any money for doing a video, nor have I accepted a product for a positive review. I don't see anything wrong with accepting money to do a video if it's something that you really like anyway. So there's no problem. There's just been nothing that came along that I was interested in. Several people ask me why I use Cacay Naturals, in particular this one brand. Well, it's the first oil I ever tried, and I used it on my neck and it works. But I did do some research, and I'm going to put a couple of links below. One of them, and they look like legitimate companies. One of them is a spa that talks about Cacay oil and incorporating it in different types of treatments. But according to the literature, it has 3 times more vitamin A than rosehip seed oil and many times more than argan oil. So, and it has many essential fatty acids. I never want to go to their website and read their claims, because what I do, you know, I've always said I'm evidence-based and I'm the evidence. If I try something and it works, I'm not going to change it if it's a reasonably priced product. I'm not going to make my own vitamin C serum. I know what I use works for me, and I'm not going to change the brand of, and it's pronounced argireline. I do know that. I've been mispronouncing it all this time. So now I want to announce the winners, and congratulations. And all I need you to do is leave a comment below. There's 5 winners, and they receive 1 hair elixir and 1 Cacay oil for your face and neck. I just haven't used it on my face yet. The first name drawn was MaryEllen. Congratulations, Carrie. Then randomcommentpicker.com quit working because it kept bringing MaryEllen up again. So I went to a different YouTube comment picker, and I'm going to announce the rest of the winners. The next winner is Marie Joy. Congratulations, Marie. The next winner is Emily James, and congratulations, Emily. Jan Greenwood is the next winner. Congratulations, Jan. And Salsa Army Mimi, you are the last winners. Congratulations. And I am going to have some more in an upcoming skincare video when I do my kind of semi-annual video. I've been trying to do that twice a year, so if you didn't win this time, I hope you win the next time. It is all good. You guys have a great day, and I thank you very much for everything. You take care, and I'll see you in my next video. And the real technique thing is, I mean, people